Everyone's having fun in the sandbox. But they're not playing together. Miss Apple has an idea.
Let's build something together.
What do you think, kids?
No, I will play with my car myself.
Wait, Miss Apple. Polly wants to make the castle. First, she'll need some sticks. Those are perfect. They'll fit in the dump truck. Now, let's stand them up. Oh no, that didn't work. You need help, Polly? Root Digger can make holes.
Rude, come on. Oh, what?
Polly wants your help to make a castle.
Let's build a castle here.
Can you help, Root? Those are excellent holes. But will they work? Add some sand, Polly. It didn't work. Prickly has a mixer. It will make the sand wet.
Prickly, come on. What?
Tell him, Polly.
Help us build a castle.
Uh-oh, nothing's coming out. Is it stuck?
It seems empty inside.
Then make some more. Now, they need some water. Here you go. Just mix them together. Round and round it goes. Now, you can fill those holes. Good job, Prickly. Wet sand will help the stick stay standing. And one more. It worked. Jack is still playing by himself. But nobody needs him. What's wrong, Root?
The sand is too hard.
Jack has a bulldozer.
We need more sand. Can you help?
He'll push more sand to you. Thanks, Jack. It's time to make some blocks. First, mix some sand and water. Now, let the mixer spin. Then add it to some molds. When they dry, they'll be nice and solid. But how will Jack stack them? With a special crane attachment. It's remote controlled. It can move one block at a time. Wow, that looks amazing. Oopsie.
Oops, sorry.
Don't worry, Polly can fix it. Ta-da! As good as new! The castle's almost finished. It just needs some flags. Well done, kids! Root will add a pond. Jack and Prickly will add some trees.
Well done, kids. You have learned to work together like real builders.
You each get a construction hat. But they might be a little big. Pit loves playing with his cars.
The police car is the best because it can catch criminals.
Yes, police are very important. Mr. Lemon's getting away. Hurry, Officer Pumpkin.
I will catch you in a second.
Hit the button. Ha! Mr. Lemon is stuck. And he's going to jail.
You see, the police car is the fastest of all cars.
I don't think so.
The ambulance is even faster because it needs to help sick people.
Look, Miss Apple hurt herself. She needs a doctor.
Yay! The ambulance car is the fastest.
What do you think, Jack?
I don't think so. Fire trucks are the fastest because they have to put out fire.
Fires are really dangerous. There it is. Watch out, Kitty. Aim the hose, Potato. You did it. Hooray!
Beep, 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 beep.
Well, Pit,
I know who has the fastest car. Our dad. He always hurries up home to see us.
that's right. He does.
I have to hurry up home.
Drive carefully, Daddy.
Let's go.
He hit a hole.
Oh no!
He needs a tow truck.
Oh, isn't this your dad's car? Oh.
Poor Daddy.
Meow, 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 meow.
What a cool costume party! Smile! Viv, you have a really cool costume. Oh no! That's a real tickly zombie! Wow, awesome costumes! You can't talk. Are you full of sweets? Do you need to get them? Okay, I'll help. Stop! You can only jump on cookies! Jump now! What shall we do? Jump or wait? Wait and then jump! Oh no! The last cookie's floating away! Yay! We did it! Oh no! You're real tickly zombies! Run! We need to hide! Run! Where can we hide? Maybe we can hide in this house? No! There's a tickling zombie inside! Can we hide in the maintenance hole? No! There's a tickling zombie inside! Can we hide in the dumpster? Yes! We'll hide in the dumpster! Yeah! Looks like I only have one option. Tickle zombies. No more tickling. Danny? Why are you wrapped in toilet paper? It's a long story.
Poor Daddy. He has lots of work to do.
Help! I can't handle it!
Pit and Polly will help.
Don't worry, Daddy! We will do it! We need a square here! A square! We need a rectangle here! This is not a rectangle!
Try again, Polly.
A rectangle! We need a circle here! A circle! We need a diamond here. A diamond!
You guys are great helpers.
Good job!
Someone is calling.
I'm cold. Where will you deliver my package?
You better hurry.
We'll deliver it soon. Wait!
There's so much snow. The van won't move.
Oh no! We're stuck!
Oh, we can't change tires.
We need something we can use in the snow.
A basketball?
The car is too heavy for the ball.
Ski wheels will work.
Right! Hooray!
But where is Carrot's house?
Carrot's house should be here.
Let's find it! Aha! And that's a tree. That's a pipe. There it is!
Your package!
Thank you for delivering my parcel so quickly.
It's a heater! It will warm things up. Yay! Oh no, it's Mr. Lemon! He's taking the packages.
He's stolen our packages.
Yikes, the wheel fell off.
We gotta stop him!
Pit has an idea. It worked.
Hooray! We stopped him!
Who is it now? It's the shark family.
We'll deliver it soon. Wait! Be careful. There are many dangers on the water.
Watch out!
Jellyfish can sting and hurt you. These are octopuses. They release ink when they're afraid of something. Let's swim away.
You need to hide. But where?
Let's hide there.
Look, he's now sleeping on our parcel.
You have to get it back. What's that?
It's the octopus's chest.
We need to get it out of the rubble. Yeah.
Let's find the shark family. Quick! Here you go.
Good job, kids.
Now what?
Phew! It's just an alarm clock. The end of the working day.
Hooray!
I wanna tickle, 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 tickle. Ha 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 ha. I will make you giggle. La 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 la. Let's have fun a little. Ha 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 ha. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickly, tickly, tickle. Ha 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 ha. Tickly, tickly,
and stole some gold. He's getting away. Something's wrong with the police car.
Oh no! Without a siren, no one notices me! My siren is broken!
Don't worry, we'll help.
First, we need to unhook the broken siren.
I know what to do.
Now we need to choose the right siren.
Oops, that's a nightlight.
A siren should attract attention, not put you to sleep.
I'll try again. What about this? It's a megaphone!
No, the siren must flash.
It must be the top one.
Thank you. Now I need to catch the criminal.
Good luck. There he is! Ha! You caught him! Now he's under arrest. It's an ambulance! Miss Apple is hurt! Watch out!
Oh no, Miss Apple is waiting for me.
How can we help?
My car tire has burst.
I'll remove it. Now what, Pit?
Now, we need to choose the right wheel.
But that's a basketball.
We need a larger size.
I'll try another one. No, that's a pool toy.
Oh, now it's too big.
This one will work.
Oh, hooray! My car is intact. Thank you.
Now she can help Miss Apple. She hurt her leg. That's much better. Uh-oh, there's a fire.
My fire truck has broken down!
What's happened?
My sprinkler is broken!
First, we'll remove the broken piece.
Now we need to choose the right water.
This one is cute. But it's a shower for kids.
It won't put out the fire!
Yes, the top one looks right. We did it!
Great! But the car hood is dented too!
Oh.
I have some options for you.
We can turn your car into a new one.
Ha! Ha! Ha!
We can use the plunger. You, Pit!
Let's do it together.
Pull harder.
Hooray! My car is intact! Thank you!
Oh no! Another fire! The fire truck is working!
Oh!
You have to save Kitty! Hooray! She's safe!
We finally got everyone fixed and can go home!
I don't think so.
Hey!
The babies are pretending their toys are real! And Kitty is being chased! Oh no! Kitty's stuck in the tree! Who can help her? Huh? The fire truck can save her! Don't be scared, Kitty! Yay! She's safe and sound! Oh, what a big diamond! But Pineapple wants to steal it. He's getting away! Hurry, officer! Time to catch the thief! The police car will find him! Look behind the cactus! Uh-oh, there was an accident! An ambulance will help! Now, everyone is as good as new!
Who knew they'd be so mad we took their doll? Jump into the portal! My tail! My tail! I've broken my tail!
It's not your tail! It's my doll!
Ew. Ugh. Oh, don't cry! I know how to fix it! Huh? Okay, The doll has a left hand, left foot, right foot, and a torso, head, and hair.
But there are more pieces than I need. Which one should I choose? Take the left and right green hands, those legs, and the head.
And a torso?
Now my doll looks like a monster!
It's just that these legs don't look similar to the arms. Take those green ones. And that hair. Done!
Huh?
Huh?
Oh no! My doll has turned into a zombie!
Run!
Another zombie! Now there are 2 zombies!
Now there's 1, 2, 3 zombies! Run!
No! It's too scary, I can't!
It's okay to be afraid, as long as you don't let your fear stop you. Great! Now we're gonna stop them. Let's find something to block their way with. A pot with a flower, a barrel, a cactus, a watering can.
A pot with a flower? No, they'll break the pot! Run!
Don't worry. Fear just tells you how not to make a mistake.
Oh, well, a barrel. No, they can climb over the barrel.
Don't worry. You're stronger and braver than you think. Use the watering can and the flower.
I know what to do. If you water the flowers, they'll grow faster.
We did it! But now we have to run!
My doll is running away! How do we get it back?
This is the Wand of Courage. It will help us to return your doll.
Do I need to put these things in the right order?
Yes.
But if I make a mistake, the wand will be destroyed. It's scary.
Viv, remember, fear is your ally.
Okay, I'll try. Well, this is not helping. I get it. First this one, and then that one.
You did it! The doll has stolen the Wand of Courage!
We must show our courage to get it now. Okay, let's see. Let's put these 3 pieces here.
We're gonna get fried like this. Try again.
Oh, sorry. So, how about this? Oh, sorry. I get it. Can't we just use all the parts at once? I'm scared. But now I realize that fear is good. Fear tells us how to avoid danger.
Yes, that's my Viv. Go!
Hooray! It wasn't so scary.
Now we can get your doll back to normal. Let's go home?
I refuse. I'd rather move on this. Now I'm not scared at all.
Time for a plane ride! Oh, that bag is too heavy.
Excess luggage!
Baby Cherry, you can't take all your toys. That's much better. Woohoo! Is something in Baby Cherry's bag? Huh?
Your ticket, please! Welcome aboard!
Here's your seat. There's something in the bag. A kitty.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Ew! Baby made us stinky. And Kitty got loose.
This is your captain speaking.
Ouch! I better help Pit. Baby Cherry, pets on planes can be dangerous. She'll be safe in a pet carrier. That's better.
I wish you a pleasant flight.
You better buckle up. Not quite, Baby Cherry. Let me help. Snack time! You can use the snack tray. Here's your snack. Baby needs the toilet.
Attention, passengers. We are in a turbulence zone.
Baby will have to wait. No, Baby Cherry. It isn't safe.
Dear passengers, we've made an emergency landing.
Kitty's missing. Yay! Pit has her.
Mommy is busy in the kitchen. And we're pirates.
The kitchen is no place for pirates.
Now what will we do?
What a place, chef!
We'll help Mommy.
Yay!
Pit, you don't need the rolling pin. Stop, Pit.
Children shouldn't use sharp objects.
Knives are dangerous.
I'm sorry.
I'll add more soap. Thanks, Mommy.
In the kitchen, you always need to be careful and attentive.
I'm sorry.
Oh.
But where's Pit?
Oh,
Pit, don't climb up there.
Working appliances are dangerous.
I got it, Mommy.
Look, Mommy. I'll get the pizza.
Okay, children shouldn't touch the oven.
Mommy has special mitts.
we just wanted to help you.
You can be my kitchen alarm clock.
We need to watch the timer.
Yay! Lunch is ready.
But no running.
Ding dong!
Lunch is ready.
Thanks for the help, kids.
Yum! Mommy baked a pie.
Now you know how to behave in the kitchen.
Look at my gold castle. No pits allowed. You play with your toys, and I'll play with mine. But first, a nap. Ooh, everything is gold. Even me. It's Wind Up Kitty. I should wind her up. Who is it? I need my telescope. Oh, it's Mommy, Daddy, and Pit.
Oh! Penny! Your family came to visit you.
Don't come in.
I can't let you in because you're not golden like me.
Oh.
Time for tennis. But dolls can't play tennis. Let's try hide and seek. That won't work either. They're having fun without me. I was dreaming. I have an idea.
I'm sorry, Pit. I realized that it is necessary to share toys.
Let's play together.
Yay!
It feels better to share.
I wanna tickle, 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 tickle. Ha 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 ha! I will make you giggle. La 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 la. Let's have fun a little. Ha 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 ha! Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle
Oh,